Good morning. This session is based on the topic percentage. What do percentage means? Percentage means out of every 100. Per means out of and cent means 100. If example is there 35%, 35 upon 100 because 1% is of 100 every 100. So 35 parts out of 100. How to convert percentage into a fraction? If given 11%, so 1% is of 100, its value is 100, so 11 upon 100. Now it will be in fraction 11 upon 100. If it is given 12, 1 upon 2%, so first we will convert it into improper fraction. So 12, 1 upon 4, 25 upon 2. And now we will divide it by 1 upon 100. To convert percentage into ratio, fraction or decimal, we have to divide it by 1 upon 100. Now we will reduce it by cross multiplication. So 5 5 is 25. So we are getting 1 and we will multiply 4 2s are 8, 1 upon 8. So the answer is 1 upon 8. Now in this decimal form, we have to convert it into fraction. So 0.05 upon 100 because 1% is of 100, its value is 100. So and after decimal, two numbers are there, so 2 zeros will be applied, and then 5 upon 10,000 converted, reduce, we will reduce it. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So we are getting 1 upon 2000. So the answer is 1 upon 2000 in fractions. If we are asked how to convert percentage into ratio, first we will do 3 upon 5 is there. So 3 upon 5 into, if we have to convert percentage into ratio or fraction or decimal, we have to divide it by 1 upon 100. So 1 upon 100. It will not be reduced, so we will write 3 1s are 3, 5 1s are 5. Now to convert in ratio, we will write this 3 is to 500. Some more examples. So 7.5%, 7 and after point there is only one digit, so we will write 10 into 1 upon 100. Now reduce it. So 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. So we are getting 3 1s are 3 and 10 4s are 40. In ratio it will be written 3 is to 40. So in ratio it will be written 3 is to 40. Now if it is given 1 upon 115%, so 1% is of 100, so it will be 1 upon 100. It will now it will be reduced. So 5 in ratio it will be written 23 is to 20. Now how to convert percentage into decimal? So 7% is given, 7% upon 7 upon 100. Now when divided, we will get 0.07. So in decimals it will be 0.07. 240% is given, so 240 upon 100, and when divided we will get 2.4. Now if we have to express these forms into percentage, so how we will do it? 4 3s are 12, 15, 4 3s are 12, 13, 13 upon 4. Now we will multiply it by 100. There we were dividing it by 1 upon 100 in every forms, and now we will multiply it by 100. So now then reduce, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 25 into 3 now we will do 13. Karo. Now we will get 325%. In ratio, if it is given, so 11 upon 18 into 100. Now we will reduce it. These two will not be reduced, so we will write, we will multiply it by 50 into 11. So we will get 550 upon 9, and 550 is an improper, so we will convert it into mixed fraction. So in mixed fraction we are getting 61 1 upon 9%. So the answer is 61 1 upon 9%. Now if it is given in decimals, so 0.03, two numbers digits are there, so 100, it will be multiplied by 100. So 100 ones are 100, it will be reduced, so 100 ones are 100 and 100 ones are 100. So the answer is 3%. Now if it is given, find 6 1 upon 4% of 1 hour 20 minutes. So first we will convert it into improper fraction. 6 4 is 24, 25 upon 4%. Now 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and there is also given 20 minutes. So 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, so we will get 80 minutes. Now the sum is formed like this: 25 upon 4 into 80. So there was percent, so we will write like this: 24 4 into 100 into 80. 25 upon 400 into 80. Now we will reduce them. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So the answer is coming 25 upon 5. Now we have to divide them. So we are getting 5 minutes. So the answer of this question is 5 minutes. Now in this question it is given, if 28% of a number is 42, find the number. So the number is not given, so we will consider it x. So let the number be x. So we have considered that number that is not given x. So first we will 28 upon 100 we have converted it. It is given of a number is 42. So into x, and is 42 it is given, so is equals to 42. Now we will, next step is 42 is equals to x, is equals to x is equals to 42 upon, so we will reciprocal it, so 100 upon 28 it will be. Now we will reduce them. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So we are getting 150. So that number that was not given, the value of x will be 150. This is the chapter of percentage. We have covered most of the things in this. Thank you.